Today we will be discussing wood as a biofuel. So wood is one of the most traditional fuels, but it's also an important modern biofuel. It's renewable, widely available, and stores energy through photosynthesis. Today we'll explore how wood is converted into usable energy, its environmental impact, and why it's a strong candidate in the transition to clean energy. So the process begins with photosynthesis. Trees absorb sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce glucose and oxygen. The glucose gets stored as cellulose and lignin, the energy-rich material that makes up wood. This natural energy storage is what makes wood so effective as a biofuel. So one way to turn wood into fuel is through biochemical conversion. Enzymes break down the cellulose into simple sugars, which are then fermented by microbes into ethanol. This process is similar to natural respiration and creates a cleaner burning liquid fuel that can be used in vehicles or blended with gasoline. Another way to convert wood into fuel is by heating it. Gasification uses high temperatures and low oxygen to produce syngas, which can be used to generate electricity or redefine into other fuels. Pyrolysis, which involves heating wood without oxygen, produces bio-oil and charcoal. These technologies are already in use and continue to be redefined. Moving on to fuel enhancement and carbon impact, starting with torrefaction, which is a mild heating process that improves the fuel quality of wood. It increases energy density, removes moisture, and makes the fuel easier to store and transport. Environmentally, wood biofuels can be carbon neutral. When trees are replanted, the carbon dioxide released from the combustion is reabsorbed, helping to offset emissions compared to fossil fuels. Moving on to the economic and technological outlook, wood biofuel has both environmental and economic benefits. It uses forestry byproducts and creates jobs in rural communities. Technological improvements like enzymatic hydrolysis and catalytic pyrolysis are making the process more efficient. Agencies like the DOE and the NREL also support public education and awareness to help grow interest in biofuel adaptation. So, in conclusion, wood is sustainable, flexible, and accessible biofuel. It reduces reliance on fossil fuels and supports local economies. I recommend expanding torrefaction and gasification facilities and offering incentives for small-scale bioenergy projects. If funding weren't a barrier, I'd invest in micro biomass plants across the country, cutting-edge biorefineries, and community education programs to boost adoption. These are my references.